G'day ice cream lovers, my name's Christensen. We're doing things a bit differently today. You won't ever comprehend the amount of infrastructure we've had to put in place just to go roving here, but I do want to talk today about how noisy your store is and perhaps how noisy it is to your customers and maybe not to you because you're used to it. I do want to thank our episode sponsor, which is Bloke Vanilla, based right here in St. Louis. 3 generations of vanilla knowledge. Bloke Vanilla down below. Pay them a visit. Now, I've got a decibel meter here on my phone. I think it's really important for you to utilize something like this in your shop so you know exactly how noisy things are. And you can have a look at a decibel meter and level and kind of see where we're going. But if I stop talking, this hallway is 55 decibels. So at basically a regular quiet hallway or office, you're looking at about 55 decibels. As we come into the lab here, and I've said this before time and time again, that you've got in your store, there's probably enough compressors running here as you would in a regular store. So when we're in production, we may have a batch freezer working, our popsicles machine going. This is our soft serve machine that we've been working on today. If I pull the handle on this and get this compressor running, this compressor is sitting at about 72, 73 decibels. So outside on the hallway we were 50, next to the soft serve machine we were 70-ish. And you've got to think about this. If you've got a dipping cabinet running here, you might have another soft serve machine, you've got an under-counter refrigerator or freezer here, and then we go to our blast freezer, which is plugging away here at about 70 decibels. So it just shows you that sometimes you become so familiar with the sounds of your store that it's just normal to you, but sometimes it can be quite confronting when a customer walks in and all of these compressors are running. It sounds like they've walked into the middle of a refrigeration facility, storage facility. So it's always good to talk to your equipment manufacturers, make sure that the decibel ranges are within the tolerance, make sure that you do some preventative maintenance, which will also keep that decibel level down. And of course, if you've got employees that are talking all the time and laughing and carrying on, you might hit the 100 decibels, which we just did. So, which I wouldn't suggest you do. We've got people running down the hallway out of the building right now. So anyway, that's a quick suggestion to you. Get a decibel meter. This was free on my iPhone, a free app. Just stand next to certain places in the store, get the decibel level, just so you understand exactly what the norm is and perhaps what could be turning your customers off. That's all I have in this lesson, in this session. Again, thank you to Bloke Vanilla, brothers George and John and all the crew there. We very much appreciate your sponsoring this episode. And look, if you have any questions, comments or concerns, drop us a line, info@scoopschool.com, smash like, hit subscribe, go to the site, watch this video. See you later.